Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to change the wallpaper on the Xiaomi 13T. In order to do that, open up your settings, scroll down to your wallpaper and personalization tab right here. So in here you can choose from the online wallpapers. So simply tap here and there will be a huge ton of different cool wallpapers. However, if you do not have an internet, simply scroll down to the system wallpapers, press more, and you can choose from the followings. There are a lot of them which are rather good looking, alright? So let's find the one we like. For example, this one. I think this one looks cool. Now we've got our preview. So check it. If you're satisfied with the wallpaper, press download wallpaper, press apply, and select where you want to apply it. On lock screen, on home screen, or both. I'll just choose both. Alright, let's check it out. And now we've got our new cool wallpaper applied. Also, you can apply your custom wallpaper, so open up your gallery, find the picture which you like to use as your wallpaper, find these three horizontal dots, tap on them, press set as wallpaper, allow all, and press apply. Select home screen, lock screen, or both. I'll just set it at the both. Press agree. And now our wallpaper is applied. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.